Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to make an amazing mask for treating dark spots, skin discoloration, and to get wrinkle-free skin. So stay tuned. To make this mask, I'll be making use of fresh parsley. Parsley contains vitamin A, C, and K. Parsley contains minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and copper. The vitamin C in parsley will help to stimulate the production of collagen. It will soothe and help in healing process and also to get rid of skin discoloration. So I'm going to add the parsley into the blender and blend into a paste. Parsley will help to lighten spots, remove dead skin cells, and make your skin to glow. Blending, I'll add the blended parsley into a bowl. 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water will help to reduce redness or skin irritation. You can choose to use the dried parsley. I'll be making use of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to prevent the appearance of scars. It will help to treat fine lines and wrinkles and also moisturize your skin. Add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has lactic acid. It will help to dissolve, exfoliate, and remove dead skin cells. I will mix to combine. It's a good mask that you can use to treat black spots, skin discoloration, acne, because there is zinc in parsley juice. It can also preserve the pH balance of our skin. So applying this mask will help to reduce redness, skin discoloration. This mask can help to tone the skin, fight premature aging, fade dark spots, and skin discoloration. For effective results, try to use it at least 3 times a week. You can apply this mask and leave it to sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse out and moisturize your skin. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.